Every year, thousands of accidents are caused by drowsy and distracted driving, and most cars still rely on passive warnings or timers. They don't actually understand the driver's state. They just assume you're tired after X hours or flash a generic alert. We wanted something that watches the driver in real time, on device, and reacts before it's too late. Meet Falcon, an edge AI in cabin driver companion. Falcon monitors the driver's face, gaze, and behavior in real time and detects both drowsiness and distraction. Unlike cloud systems, Falcon runs entirely on device. That means zero cloud latency, no video leaving the car, and consistent behavior even with poor connectivity. Falcon's pipeline looks like this. A camera inside the cabin streams frames into our edge node. We process the frames and pass them through MediaPipe Face Mesh to capture landmarks and eye aspect ratio, and an efficient net B0 model for distraction cues. A context engine aggregates those signals over time. Things like blinking, frequency, gaze direction, and head pose, and computes a drowsiness and distraction score. When those scores cross thresholds, an alert engine triggers warnings in the cockpit UI and can send events to fleet systems or OEM dashboards. Under the hood, we use Python with FastAPI for the inference backend, Streamlit for the cockpit UI, and we package everything in Docker for edge development on GPUs or constrained CPUs. Let's step into the cockpit. As soon as the driver sits down and the system is armed, Falcon starts monitoring the in-cabin view in real time. On the right, you can see Falcon's cockpit UI. The live video feed shows the driver, and below it we have real-time metrics for drowsiness, distraction, and alert level. In normal state, scores stay low and Falcon simply watches quietly in the background. Now let's simulate drowsiness. As the driver starts to blink more slowly, nod off, and lose focus, Falcon's drowsiness signal starts climbing. You can see the drowsiness score increase in real time and the alert level shifting from normal into a warning state. Because this is running at the edge, we don't need to spend any frames to the cloud. The system reacts instantly and can trigger haptic, audio, or visual alerts directly in the car. Distraction is just as dangerous as drowsiness. Here, the driver repeatedly looks down at a phone and glances away from the road. Falcon's distraction model flags these off-axis gaze patterns and sudden attention shifts, and you can see the distraction score spike. Just like with drowsiness, Falcon can escalate from a gentle nudge to a strong alert, depending on how long and how severe the distraction is. Falcon is built for real roads and real fleets. By understanding the driver's state in real time, on device, it can reduce reaction times and give drivers and operators an extra layer of safety without relying on the cloud. Because Falcon runs as an edge agent, it can take actions autonomously, escalating alerts, logging events, and integrating with telematics or OEM dashboards. There's still a lot we want to explore, from better personalization to multimodal context, but Falcon already shows how agentic systems can make in-cabin safety smarter and more human aware. We are Falcon, an edge AI driver companion for drowsiness and distraction detection. Thank you.